Surely you often sneeze when you have a cold or allergies, right? But imagine, there are animals that never sneeze at all. Yup, that's a giraffe. Even though they have long noses, it turns out giraffes never sneeze. Why? Because they don't have the same nose structure as us. Their respiratory organs are different, so there is no sneezing reaction that is common in humans. Cool, right? This is an example of how unique animal adaptations are to their environment. If you were a giraffe, what else do you think would be different? Write your opinion in the comments.